In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then select Agree in Location Services pop-up. And when I go back, as you can see, location is now on. If you want to switch it off, just click on the same No Blue shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings and look for Location section over here. When you find it, click on it and manage it by hitting gray switcher next to Access My Location and then a blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!